Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to identify an Etsy repeat customer. So, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to take your business to the next level, make sure that you subscribe today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. And don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So the reason why you might want to identify who is a repeat customer is because you simply just want to say thank you to that customer. When you get customers that keep coming back and buying from you, those are the customers that you have to nurture. And this is something I've learned in my sales career. This is something I learned in the digital space over the last 10 years, is that repeat customers are gold mine. They're the ones that keep coming back and buying from you every year or every quarter or every so often that they have a party or anytime they need something like new jewelry, if you sell jewelry, whatever it is. So by identifying who is your repeat customer, it's a great way to just send them a thank you message. Something very simple, just saying, hey, I see that you came back and purchased from me again. I really appreciate your business. Here's a coupon for your next order. So you're telling them thank you. Who doesn't like to receive a message from a shop saying, I appreciate your business. I see that you coming back. When you do that, it makes the buyer, I know it will make me feel great. Wow, like they really appreciate me. They notice that I order from the store, consistency. So it's just really, really nice when you could do that. I think one of the best things you could do just in life is customer service. The way you treat people with respect, the way that you treat people by showing that you are grateful for their business goes a long way. And it's something that, in my opinion, not too many people do. I purchase a lot of stuff from Etsy myself, and I rarely get a message saying thank you. I got in a few here and there, but it's like pulling teeth. I'm asking questions about whatever I'm ordering. People are very short and they don't want to be nice to you anymore. I'm not saying everyone. I'm talking about my experience. So by you simply just messaging someone and saying, I really appreciate your business. Here's a coupon for your next order. It really makes a big difference in this type of world now. A lot of people forget that when you are an e-commerce store owner, you have to provide the same customer service you would do face-to-face. And this takes training, I feel, because I think a lot of people don't realize that over the computer, if you type something, it could come off a different way. So by providing excellent customer service, it does help you. Now, the way that you identify who is a repeat customer, if you go on under your orders, you will see this little star right next to their name. So when you see the little star right next to the name, if you hover on top of the star, it's going to tell you repeat customer. And this is how you know that this customer has purchased from you before. And this is a great way to start your monthly, like a to-do list. Every month, go down through all your orders, and anybody that was a repeat customer, just send them a thank you and just send them a coupon and tell them, hey, on your next purchase, here's a coupon for your next purchase. And most likely, because they already bought from you, they're going to use that coupon. They're going to come back from you. So it's just a great way to provide great customer service, to say thank you. It's just nice to be nice, isn't it, guys? Or is it just me? But it's nice to be nice, right? It's nice to be kind and just say thank you. And then that will make that person feel great. And then most likely they'll come back. They might leave you a review or they might share your store with someone else. It's just a lot of benefits by doing so. So I hope that this video inspires you to go back, check your orders, start identifying who are your repeat customers, and maybe coming up with some sort of strategy to say, hey, I appreciate your business, here's a coupon, or just simply, I appreciate your business, not necessarily that you have to send a coupon. So I hope that this video helped you. Let me know if you learned something new today, or let me know if you are currently doing this already in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching.